my instructor Sergio Jimenez. So this is my report about topic naval maneuvers. So the problem is the distance between an aircraft carrier and a Navy destroyer is 7,620 feet. The angle of elevation from a destroyer to a helicopter is 77.2 degrees. And the angle of elevation from the aircraft carrier to the helicopter is 59 degrees. The helicopter is in the same vertical plane as the two ships as shown in the following figure. Use this data to determine the distance x from the helicopter to the aircraft carrier. So this is the angle. So the measure of this angle B, assume this is the angle A, angle B, and the angle C. So measure of the angle B is 59 degrees, and the measure of this angle is 27.2 degrees. So since the problem is determining the distance of x from the helicopter, this is the helicopter, and the aircraft carrier. So this is the aircraft carrier. So first, let's draw a rectangle from this to this and this. So that we can find the measure of this angle, which is 77.2 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 77.2 degrees. So this is the answer is 12.8. So 12.8 is the angle of this, and the opposite is the angle. So the same as sila of angle. So in the left side same ra nga yapon. Then the angle measure is 59. So 90 minus 59 equals to 31 degrees. So let's find the x. So let's assume this is the angle B, and angle C. So to find the distance between helicopter and aircraft, we use the law of sines. So since the formula of law of sines is A over sine A equals C over sine C. So RA is 7,620 feet. So this is our A, the base. The distance between the Navy destroyer and the aircraft carrier. So this is the distance, 7,620. So this is our A over sine 43.8. So this is the measure. Since this is the measure of the angle, so the opposite niya is same as sila. So i-add na to, 31 degrees plus 12.8 degrees equals 43.8 degrees. So this is our sine A equals C, well, we don't have our C, over sine 77.2 degrees, since this is the measure of the elevation of the angle C. So this is the measure of angle C, 77.2 degrees. So this is our sine C. Okay, so let's cross multiply. So cross multiply. So C sine 43.8 equals 7,620 sine 77.2 degrees over sine 43.8 degrees. So cancel out. So the result is C equals 7,620 sine 77.2 degrees over sine 43.8 degrees. So by using the scientific calculator, so the result is 10,735.7 feet. So this is the distance of the angle C, since we use the law of sines, which is this is the A, and the C. So, this is the sign C. So, the distance between helicopter and aircraft carrier is 10,705.7 feet. So, therefore, the distance is approximately 10,705.7 feet. So, that's all. Thank you for watching and enjoy.